Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Shane or Electromilk. Some know me as that online. For my presentation, when Wina messaged me for the concept of her program this afternoon, I said like yes immediately because I thought 2017 is my, ayun nga, parang woke, popular on social media comic strips that people are like, oh, ganda, you're so thoughtful. And parang, oh, I'm glad you said this, ganyan. But then when I actually looked in Google Drive, that's 2019 pala yung magagandang stuff. Tapos ganyan yung 2017. So I said, I can't show writing at all. Apparently around that time, parang people are just figuring out Instagram and you know, branding as an artist, I sound so old pero back in my day. You don't brand, you just draw, diba? You just post whatever online, mga coffee and so on. Wala pang, this is my online personality, so I looked instead at my scans of my sketchbook around that time. So I guess more, instead of a reading mind, it's more of parang TED Talk siya of why we should use sketchbooks again. So, ayun, around that time, I think ang subtext talaga of today's program is, can we go back? Is parang ano, how enrolling in MA will lead you to making dreams. Yeah, yun talaga to, how it destroys who you are. So, these pages, most of these were drawn during MA classes, basically na not listening. So, you know, pretending to take notes, so your teacher is like, well, the thing about Bart's is, I'm like, oh yeah, but I'm drawing a penis pala. So, that's the idea. So, looking back on this, it's very, you know, I think we should all take out of the old boxes our notebooks back then and see who we were then, influence who we are now, and oh, ganito pala ako dati, ang pathetic. So, that was fun because I guess this page, parang, it's mostly nude figures. And I think it was very sexually repressed time, you know, from the boy from the province, first time in Manila, grinder in LaSalle, stuff like that. It's not good, by the way. Don't bother. So, ayun, so there was this conflict also of, you know, what you want to be. Do I even really want to finish this MA? But thankfully, hindi pa rin siya tapos. So, next slide, please. So, what I do back then with sketchbooks is, kasi I grew up poor, so I don't draw on one page sa right side and then next page na the right side again. You know what I mean? You save the pages so you get to draw more. See, so I have to fill every page na na-drawing ako na talaga before I go to the next one. Kasi sketchbook pages mahal siya, mga Moleskine. Although this is not Moleskine, this is from National Bookstore lang. So I fill every page talaga. When there's an empty page, usually I just empty space, I just put a flower or something. Tapos ayan, cringe writing. Tapos ayun natin, and then I'll just kill myself after. So, yeah, I promise to be good. I promise to be loving. I promise to be understanding. I promise to be sweet. I promise to suck your dick whenever you feel like it. Just don't leave me, baby. Please, please, please. So, and then Sabrina Carpenter saw that as where my lawyers are working on it right now. So this is not even, I don't think this was even about anyone per se, you know. I wrote about that na it's, I think using a sketchbook, even if you're bad at drawing, you come up with a thing that is not really about you, but it's something about you. So it's a very stream of consciousness type of thing. You know, when people draw today, it's like, oh, I'm gonna start this immediately. But back then, I just did it because I don't want to pay attention to class. So, very daming sexual imagery. I don't know what. Anyway, next slide na tayo, please. So, a daming repetition poem like this one says, stupid people run the world, stupid people rule the world, Stupid people make up a great majority of the world. Stupid people fuck other stupid people to produce more stupid people of their own. Poetry, bitch. So, yeah. Diba? So, tapos may parang fan-made vinyl cover art for the Virgin Suicides. Na walang connection with anything else. But yeah, that's a sketchbook, diba? There are no rules. This parang wordless comic na from, I have this until now, parang 5 gig drive of pictures from Tumblr. So Tumblr very 27. So until now, I look back on it when, for inspiration, stuff like that. And the next one, so I tried making zine as well. In the next slide, huwag na yan. So this one, so this one, it's a mix of my drawings and then my father used to be a textbook illustrator. So I made this zine na mix of our drawings. Tas mas fun yung, this is an actual panel from a textbook and I want to read it. Kayo ba ay may kilalang babae o lalaki na nakapag-asawa ng bata pa? Marami sa aming lugar. Sino halimbawa? Tapos naka-bold for some reason. Ang ate ko. I don't know. It didn't make much sense. So anyway, I guess this part I want to encourage people then, because you know, zines are, people are intimidated na, what is that? Or I can't do one, I'm not a writer, I'm not good at drawing, pero it's meant to be, you just made it and that's it. It doesn't have to last forever. It doesn't have an ISBN. Diba? So it's really meant for distribution, like make a few copies or make it for like 5 to 10 years kasi you can come up with anything new, which is Electromilk branding. So definitely it's that's I guess my takeaway from looking back on this. Now next slide, we have another page. This panel is from the textbook as well of parang how to cross stitch. And then along with it, I made this comic na sometimes I guess an exercise I want to suggest to people is just draw using your beep card. Kasi nag-beep ako to Manila. You make comic panels and then don't think about the ending. Just start drawing in the first box and then whatever you come up with, just end it wherever, when the teacher calls you not to share what you think of Barks. So this one says, so I had a lot of free time at work today, thought about you for a moment unintentionally. I'm totally okay with everything now, but sometimes I can't help but wonder, what was it exactly that I did? Should I have paid more attention? There were probably a couple of signs I missed. The devil's in the details, they say. Should have looked in your eyes when you smile instead of the gap between your teeth. And then, shit, he stretched and yawned and then lie down. Diba, wala siyang kwenta. But that's the beauty of that. No, it's just for you. And I think we have to get away. I think the kids today are in on it na we have to leave social media na at some point. We can't live there. We're not welcome in it anymore. Social medias are basically malls now. Diba, that you're supposed to go to for 45 minutes and then leave. And then I guess in the last slide, I have another pointless drawing. So other than the aimless, I really wish we go back to a sense of aimlessness. Kasi even artists, ngayon there's this pressure na to write about society today. Why are you not commenting on this issue or that issue? Why do you, insert ko lang, I made this sticker of the naked guy in Demon Slayer, tas yung pig yung head niya. I don't watch Demon Slayer, but di ba he's hot, no? Di ba? Tapos so I made a sticker of him, but with the dick out, di ba, sexy. And then someone DM'd me on Instagram na, why are you portraying a naked minor? Like, I didn't know he's a minor, so I didn't. Did anyone think, no, he's 14, he's shirtless, and then big head mask. So, ayun. knowing that, but I made a lot of stickers na, so what do I do? So I sold it na lang for 50% off. Yeah. So ayun, so there's that. I guess my point is, ayun nga, we're too pressured now to make it about something specifically or to comment on something, but it has to come naturally because for me, like yun nga, people say, oh, very protest art, electromilk, but I didn't set out to do that. It will come naturally from you. Anyway, the last panel na, going back to it is, come to think of it, I don't remember how we met. Wait a minute. Was it by the river? Maybe not. That might be somebody else. So I wanted to end with that. And thank you.
Thank you, Shin.